Initiating simulation 014. Restoring deleted files. 48 BC. In our timeline, the library burns, taking 80% of human knowledge with it. In this timeline, the fire is put out. The Aeolipile, the steam engine invented in 1 AD, isn't treated as a toy. It is scaled up. The Industrial Revolution begins in ancient Rome. The Dark Ages never happen. By the year 1000 AD, armies aren't fighting with swords. They are fighting with mechanized clockwork armor. We discover the Americas 400 years early, not with wooden sailboats, but with ironclad steamships. By the Renaissance, electricity is discovered. Leonardo da Vinci isn't just painting. He is building the first artificial intelligence. By 1800, we cure cancer. By 1900, we solve climate change. The fossil fuel era lasts only 50 years before we switch to fusion. But progress has a price. We advanced too fast for our wisdom to keep up. We consumed the planet by 1950. Simulation result: humanity is an interstellar species, but Earth is a graveyard. We traded our home for the stars. We are 1,000 years behind schedule. End log. Read a book. End log.